Welcome to this guided meditation for parent relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress with each breath. Imagine yourself in a beautiful garden, surrounded by vibrant colors and the gentle sounds of nature. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and a soft breeze brushing against your face. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a lush green meadow stretching out before you. Picture yourself walking barefoot through this meadow, feeling the soft grass beneath your feet. With each step you take, imagine the weight of your worries and responsibilities melting away, leaving you feeling light and free. Now, focus your attention on a patch of flowers nearby. Notice their vibrant colors and delicate petals swaying in the breeze. Among the flowers, you see butterflies dancing gracefully from one blossom to the next. As you watch the butterflies flit and flutter, imagine yourself becoming one with their gentle movements. Feel a sense of tranquility wash over you with each graceful sway of your imaginary wings. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this garden oasis and the peace it brings to your mind and body. Now, let's take a moment to practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you're grateful for in this moment. It could be the love of your family, the beauty of nature, or simply the opportunity to take this time for yourself. As you reflect on these things, feel a sense of warmth and contentment fill your heart. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing this feeling of gratitude to expand within you. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing yourself back to the present moment. As you come back to the present moment, carry with you the image of the garden and the butterflies in your mind's eye. Remember the feeling of tranquility and peace that you experienced here. Know that you can return to this garden oasis anytime you need a moment of calm amidst the busyness of your day. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by the demands of parenting or simply in need of a brief escape, this tranquil space is always available to you. Before we end this meditation, let's take a moment to set an intention for the rest of your day. Think about how you want to show up for yourself and your loved ones. Perhaps it's with patience, kindness, or simply with a sense of presence and gratitude. Visualize yourself carrying this intention with you, like a gentle breeze guiding you through the challenges and joys of parenthood. Now, take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or stress. Carry this sense of peace and intention with you as you gently return to your day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for parent relaxation. May you continue to find moments of tranquility and joy amidst the beautiful chaos of parenthood.